What do you love about IBIE?
What I love about IBIE is every 3 years we get to come and reconnect with our customers.
I love, honestly, IBIE. We have so much fun.
Under one roof, you just meet a variety of solution providers.
I think we've all had a really good experience. We've talked to a lot of cool people.
I've just enjoyed all the hands-on workshops, the education sessions, and it's just amazing. Love it.
IBIE has been an incredible place to connect and learn.
It's just amazing seeing everybody from everywhere in the world, shaking the hands and introducing ourselves.
That's a great time to gather together and have a good laugh and talk about baking.
It's been a blessing connecting with, people that do the exact same thing as I do. I will be back in 3 years.
See you in 2028 at IBIE from Jamaica. See you in 2028 at IBIE. Woohoo!